have a litter of 12 mini F1 Irish Doodles. These are puppies from Little Paws of Iowa. This is Roxy and Trapper's litter. These puppies were born February 4 and they will be 8 weeks on April 1. The mom and the sire is genetic and OFA tested. We estimate these puppies to be 25 to 40 pounds full grown. This is the City Life litter. There's 7 males and 5 females. The first one is Florence with the beach scarf. A female. She is 3.8 pounds. And the next one is Hudson with the blue squirrel scarf. That is a male. He is 3.6 pounds. Here's Kingston with a brown scarf, a male. And 3.6 pounds today. This is Dallas with the blue teddy bear scarf. And he is 3.9 pounds. This is Austin with the blue bear scarf, and he is 3.8 pounds. This is Paris with the apples scarf, a female. She's 3.0 pounds. Here we have Sydney, a female. She is 3.2 pounds. She has a sunshine scarf. Here we have Savannah, a female, with a leaf scarf, and she is 2.5 pounds. She is our smallest female. Here is Phoenix, a male. He has a s'more scarf, and he is 3.3 pounds. This is Denver with a blue space scarf. He is 2.8 pounds and he is our smallest male. Here is Lincoln. He is 3.5 pounds. The green forest scarf. Another male. Here we have Brooklyn, a female. She is 2.8 pounds with a You Are Loved scarf. So they're at an age where they get plenty of rest time yet, but they are starting to play pretty well and interact with their toys and with people. They love being around people. They're well socialized with kids. We'll have new pictures coming to the website. And be sure to check out the adoption process page and check our training and delivery options.